How to make your Facebook cover photo private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, a lot of you guys were asking this question, so we will find out how we can set our Facebook cover photo to private. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Facebook app and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you are inside, go to the profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner of the home screen, and this will take you directly to your profile page. Now, once you are in the profile page, locate your cover photo at the top of your profile and tap on it. Now, tap on See Cover Photo. And once you are inside the photo, tap on the three dot in the top right corner to access more options. Now, here is the important thing to know. Facebook privacy settings for cover photos are a bit limited. Unlike your post or other profile details, cover photos are always visible to public by default, even if you set everything else to only me. So you can't change the privacy settings of the cover photo, but you can change the privacy settings of the cover photo that you have posted before. But don't worry, you can still maintain your privacy by customizing your cover photo before uploading it. Crop or edit the image to include only the elements you are comfortable sharing publicly. This way, you are in control of what people see. Once your cover photo is ready, upload it to your profile knowing it's safe to share. And there you have it. While Facebook doesn't allow you to set your cover photo to only me, you can still protect your privacy by carefully choosing what you upload. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.